Hi guys, I'm going to show you some things that I do with my carrot tops. The carrot greens are very medicinal, not just the carrot root itself, because the carrot is a root. The greens, the tops, are fabulous, full of nutrition, vitamins and minerals. So what I did was last night I made a strong carrot green tea, okay? I let it sit all night brewing, like I put it into a mason jar this size, filled it with hot water and capped it and just left it for the night. So this is a beautiful strong tea now. So we're going to make a nice cold summer tonic with the carrot tops. So first we're going to take some lemons and oranges. And I like to clean my lemons and oranges, any type of fruit, with colloidal silver first. So just give it a little spray like this, just to get any, nastiness off it. And then I wipe it clean with a paper towel or a clean cloth. So that's clean, disinfected for pesticides, as best as I can get it anyhow. So we're going to give that a wipe off. Now I'm going to cut the orange and the lemon up. Just going to cut it in slices like this, throw it right into my container that I'm going to make my cold tonic with. A tonic means overall healing in the body. It does many, many things, tonics do. They work on all kinds of parts of the body. Cut this lemon up. Carrot tops are a little bitter, so it's best to put something sweet with them. So I'm going to use honey. So what I'm going to do is add my honey to the tea, because if I add my honey to that cold drink... Oh, you moved. Did you just see all of that? I think my camera moved. I'm not sure how that happened. So I'm going to put my honey in my tea, because if I put it in here in the cold ice, it's not going to mix well. My tea has cooled, but it's like room temperature, so I can mix it better with the room temperature than a cold drink. So I'm mixing that around. Got my fruit in there. I'm going to add, not mixed real well, some maraschino cherries with the juice. They go in. Add cinnamon stick. All this stuff is optional. You add whatever you like. I'm going to put some fresh ginger root in. Pop that right in. Still stirring this up here. So I like the coconut water, because it's loaded with electrolytes. So I'm going to use the coconut water in it. Yeah, that's mixing better now. The coconut water. Like I say, you can add any type of juice you like. It's looking some yummy. Okay, now I'm going to pour in my carrot top, messy, tea into it. There we go. And just for garnishes, I'm adding a squash flower. Squash flowers are very nutritional, delicious to eat. You can you can fry them up, saute them. You can I fill them with rice and close them up and then steam them. Squash heads. So that's going to go in. It's going to look so beautiful. Oh, look at that. And then I've got a little sprig of mint. That's going to go in. Let's put a cherry. I like to put a cherry in my squash flower because it just looks so beautiful. Look how beautiful that looks. So that's going in. Maybe what we'll do is slice a lemon like this. Make it look real pretty. Put it on the side. Slice. This would be a great drink to serve people that came to visit you. they'd be blown away by it. So look how lovely that looks. And I'm going to add, get that little bug out, hosta. Hosta flowers are edible. The whole hosta is edible, actually. All hostas. So for look, let's set that in there. And here's more little hosta buds that haven't opened. They are so delicious like that. So we'll put them in. There we go. That's all there is to it. I'll bring it over closer so you can see. Look at that. How yummy that looks. Just delicious. So I'll drink this. This camera is really messing up on the tripod. I'll drink this today. I'll just sip on it all day long. This is so nutritional and good for the body. There's a little piece of ginger. So use your carrot tops to make a tea and then make beautiful juices, because the tea is quite strong. It's quite bitter, so you'll want to sweeten it up, that's for sure. So I'll let you take a look at it again because it's just so gorgeous. Ooh, look at it. Yum. I live in the country, so you're going to hear all these four-wheelers all the time. It's like, woohoo, baby, we're living in the country. So there's my country summer tonic. Make some tonics with your greens from your vegetables. It's not just carrot top greens, like the broccoli. Oh, the leaves are delicious. Google that, do a little research. You'll be surprised that just about every vegetable that you're growing, you can eat the greens. And most time the greens are more nutritious than the actual vegetable. In the old days, they didn't waste anything. They used all the greens, all the carrot tops. They used them for medicine. We got to get back to that. Have a good day.